Hello good people. Today, we are going to cover 5 best DJ headphone reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Monoprice Premium Hi-Fi DJ Style over-the-ear headphones. The philosophy on choosing headphones for taking on DJ gigs can range from seeking out the most durable set possibly with replaceable parts so that they can withstand the rigors of taking them on many road trips, to picking up the best value for the money because if they break they'll be cheap to replace. I've shoved them in a disheveled gear bag and then yanked them out at what feels like 100 DJ sets without them breaking. And the detachable cable is easy to replace with a standard 1/8-inch audio cord. That's why these Monoprice headphones are our pick if you want to drop the beat without dropping a Benjamin. The plastic construction of the moving ear cup joints doesn't inspire the most confidence, but they do provide the convenient mobility of swiveling the cups 90 degrees and rotating them essentially backward 180 degrees, making one-ear monitoring easy. Neither the comfort level of the over-the-ear cups and the headband nor the sound quality are top of the heap, but I've certainly felt and heard worse. With a sensitivity of 100 dB, they do get loud enough to do the job in a noisy club. That is essentially the appeal of these headphones for DJs. They aren't amazing in any one aspect, but sound good enough and are comfortable and flexible enough to function for professional work, while being cheap enough not to sting when they no longer function. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sennheiser Professional HD25 Plus on-ear monitor headphones. These headphones occupy a special place in the hearts of touring DJs, mobile DJs, and any DJ who puts their cans through a ton of use and abuse. This is because the essential parts of the HD25 Plus headphones are all replaceable and easily available to purchase at retailers. The audio cable that feeds into the ear cup speaker drivers is completely detachable and replaceable. The driver units themselves are replaceable, and so are the headband padding, and ear pads. Yet, regardless of replaceability, the lightweight, mostly plastic construction is built to last. It's tough and malleable, rather than the brittle plastic of some cheaply made headphones. Pure loudness counts as another of the HD25 Plus standout features. With a top SPL of 120 dB, they are some of the loudest DJ headphones you can find, and they're on-ear, closed-back design blocks outside sounds and loud environments so you can focus on your headphones mix. Unlike most DJ headphones with swiveling ear cups, the driver units on the HD25 Plus detach from the headband for one-ear monitoring. They also have a signature split headband meant to be a little more comfortable on the head over long periods of time. Number 3. Our third best pick is MODA Crossfade LP2 over-ear noise isolating metal headphone. It puts a lot of stock in the materials it uses and, as a result, they are known to be some of the most durable and comfortable headphones available. The Crossfade LP2, for example, has an extremely flexible metal core headband and aramid fiber, Kevlar, reinforced cables made for 1 million bends. The removable aluminum shields on the closed-back ear cups can also be customized with the laser engraving or color print of your choice, such as your DJ name/brand, for an extra cost. A form-fitting exoskeleton zippered carrying case is also excellent for peace of mind when transporting the headphones. These headphones give DJs an attractive mix of sound quality, slick looks, and pristine construction that's built to last. If you like the MODA aesthetic of industry-leading build quality and customizable shield plates but don't want the LP sound and have deeper pockets, you could spring for the Crossfade M100 Master, the M200 Studio headphones, the Crossfade 2 Wireless Codex Edition, or the Mac Daddy M200 ANC with active noise cancelling and wireless connectivity. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Audio-Technica ADH M70X Professional Studio Monitor Headphones. Making your own music ranks is one of the best ways to stand out and promote yourself as a DJ. And it's just a fun thing to do, as DJs are music lovers first and foremost. So when you need a set of DJ headphones that also double as your reference headphones for mixing and mastering music, the Audio-Technica ADH M70X closed-back monitoring headphones fit the bill. They have an extended frequency range and a flat response across the audio spectrum so that you can hear every element of a mix evenly. The ADHM70XS ear cups have metal yokes and swivel 90 degrees for one-ear monitoring, and its ear pads and headband padding are replaceable. If you're looking for similar performance in a DJ headphone set that's also appropriate for music production but for more than $100 less, the very popular Audio-Technica ADHM50X, one of our perpetual favorite monitoring headphones, makes for a great choice. The rest of the line doesn't have the extended frequency range or as much metal construction as the ADHM70X, but offers a great price-performance ratio. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Pioneer closed-back circumaural DJ headphones. If you had to boil down what's important in DJ headphones to one word, it may be dependability. As one of the key elements to a live performance where mistakes can be catastrophic to your confidence and or reputation, DJ headphones have to be dependable in the areas of sound reproduction and power, as well as physically dependable to take abuse yet not to dish it out to your head and ears. First of all, its audio is not the loudest of all DJ headphones, but it's loud enough at a 106 dB sound level, and its over-ear, closed-back design does a good job at isolating the headphone mix from outside noise. The high-resolution sound from the newly developed 50mm drivers delivers an extended frequency response and a very clear sound throughout the frequency range. The bass is very pronounced but not overly hyped or overpowering of mid-range elements. Finally, the audio cable is an L-type locking mini jack, so while it's a little harder to find a replacement cable if you need one, you're also protected from the potentially panic-inducing event of the audio cable disconnecting in the middle of a live set. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.